Alright, let's get into it. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these honey hot chicken wings. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to season the chicken. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so check that out below. I'm going to season my chicken wings with my spicy girl. And of course, I'm going to liberally season it. Season until all your wings are coated, all colored, okay? So next, I'm going to pour over some salt, not too much. I'm going to add some buttermilk as well as my hot pepper juice, or you can use pickle juice. But this is the pickle brine juice that I had in the fridge, so I used it. But regular pickles work as well, pickle juice. So these are what they look like. I'm going to put them to the side to marinate for about an hour or so while I work on the sauce. So in my sauce pot, I have about 7 cloves of garlic chopped up. I have hot sauce, honey, and of course my spicy girl. I'm using Louisiana because that's what I had. But in this case, pretty much any hot sauce works here. So use your favorite hot sauce or the hot sauce you prefer. So next I'm going to add the honey, the hot sauce, and my spicy girl. And I'm going to reduce it on the stove by half. In this bowl I have all-purpose flour. I'm going to season it simply with just salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And because you don't need to do much at the end of the day, we're going to add that bomb sauce on the wings. So just salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown. After that's prepped, I'm going to work on the salad, which is a simple Caesar salad from the bag. I got the salad kit from Kroger, and I'm just going to toss the salad and all the ingredients that it comes with together. And that's it. That's the side for the wings for tonight's dinner. Alright, so now I'm going to put the wings in the flour and fry them. So you don't need to add any eggs or anything to this. The wings are already soaked from the buttermilk and the pepper juice. So you don't need to add any eggs or anything like that. It'll be perfectly fine. So now I'm just going to fry my wings. My oil is at 375. You know, once you drop the wings or your chicken into oil, the temperature is going to drop. So you want to make sure you keep it at a decent level. And now these are what the wings look like after I fried them about 5 minutes on each side. They're nice and golden and crispy. And now I'm just going to toss them with the sauce in just a sec. This is what your sauce should look like. I had to start over my sauce, y'all, because the sauce in that small pot floated over on my stove. So I had to get a bigger pot and something that was wider. So be careful and keep your heat on medium, low, or medium, so it won't float over on you guys. Please be careful. So now I'm just gonna put my sauce right over my wings. Looks amazing. And this is what it looks like. It's so easy. You're pretty much done. I know a lot of people are scared of frying things because, you know, it can be dangerous, and it's also a little hassle to fry something, especially when you don't have a deep fryer. But you can do it. And look how amazing these look. You know, they look restaurant quality and they taste amazing. They're nice and spicy. They're slightly sweet. And they're flavorful because of all the steps that we took to season each step. So this is what the plate looks like. My mouth is watering, as y'all can tell. But also I have braces, so that's why my mouth is like that. But thank you guys for watching. I love you and thank you for your support. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.